Next, we will insert our internal walls. We will start to use our construction lines to get our offset positions. I will start bottom left side again, and the wall I want to draw has to look like this. I'm going to remain on the walls layer, and I will start inserting the construction lines. From the applications menu, select construction lines and vertical. Carry prompts for the position, and I will select auto snap by selecting right click, auto snap, and I will select accurately on the edge of the wall. The blue dotted line is my construction line, and now I want to offset that and put it with a distance parallel of 115. So I select parallel, I will type in the distance of 115, and I will select OK to accept. Caddy will prompt me indicate the correct side of the line. I want it to the left, so I will indicate to the closest point of the left side of the vertical line. Now let's put the horizontal in. You'll notice the auto snap is still active, and I can select the point. I want to insert a horizontal parallel line with a distance of 2 meters 500. So I select parallel, type 2 meters 500, select OK, and I indicate just above the horizontal line. Now I'll offset a 115 distance line from the new one. I would like to enter a parallel construction line with a distance of 700 millimeters. So I select parallel, I'll type in 700 millimeters, select OK, indicate the correct side of the line, and there's my offset. That looks more or less to what I want. Now we are ready to insert our wall. From the applications menu, select AEC, select walls, and under walls I will select wall again. Under my loaded styles, you'll see I've got standard and I've got my 230 wall. So let's go and see if I can load a 115. I select styles, and under my saved presets, I do not have a 115 wall. What to do now? I've got two options. I can use a standard one, or I can go to the style manager and create one. I do not want a 1110, so I'll go back to my wall parameters, and I will select from the standard style, which will give me now the option to override the variable width. I'm happy with the current wall parameters, but the variable width I want to change to 115. So I select and type it in, accept it by selecting OK. Now because I selected a saved preset list and didn't load it, Caddy picked it up and is asking me now if I want to load it. I will select no. Caddy now prompts me to indicate the start of the wall from the command line. My snap is set to auto snap, and I will select on the points coming down towards the external wall. Select right click, option N to complete. Now let's divide this wall up further like the following, and this is how we're going to do it. We will subdivide the lines again with construction lines. Select construction lines and parallel. I will type in the value for my offset distance of 1 meters 500. I select OK, and Caddy prompts me to indicate the correct side of the line. Now let's offset this one with 115. Here's a tip. Instead of selecting parallel, I click spacebar on the keyboard. Enter the value of 115, select OK, and click on the correct side of the line. My offset is complete. Let's continue by drawing the wall. Select AEC from our applications menu. Under walls, I will select, instead of wall, I am going to select quick wall. Let's look at this. With quick wall, I cannot load new styles, but with this command I can actually change my origin and the type of wall while I'm working. So here I can select my type of my wall, the style, the height, the width, and here I can change while I'm drawing. I right click, select auto snap, indicate the start point, the next point, and I indicate the end point. Right click, option N, and my wall is drawn. Let's save our drawing before we continue any further. I select save as. I've got a folder that says arc, and I'm going to type in the file name of exercise 1. It defaults to DWG. I'm happy with that, as well as the version, and I accept that by selecting OK. Notice the drawing file name on the MDI tab called exercise1.dwg.